this is your channel Sosanasa 1. I am the electromechanic engineer Emmanuel, and now I'm going to show you how to know if this battery is good or not using this digital multimeter. This is very easy. The first step is turn on the digital multimeter, moving this. And now the second step is take the battery and read the information on the battery. Here, like we are watching, we are reading the information. Lithium battery, this is the battery type, and this is the battery model, CR2032. And this is the voltage, 3 volts. This number is very important to set up the digital multimeter. 3 volts. Now, we must to choose the level of voltage inside the mode. Like this is a battery, we must select the voltage limit inside this mode. This is direct current voltage mode from this point to this point. This battery has 3 volts. This means I need to choose a voltage limit higher than 3 volts. This means in this case this is 2 volts, this is 20 volts. In this case 20 volts is higher than 3 volts. Therefore, I'm going to choose 20 volts like voltage limit in this case. And now we are going to measure how many volts has this battery. This is very easy. This side is the positive, like we are watching the cross on the battery, and the other side, this is the negative side. The black is the negative and the red is the positive. And touch this side and touch the other side and watch the digital multimeter screen. In this case, we are watching 3.32 volts. This means this battery is good, is working correctly. We can use this battery more time because 3.32 volts is higher than 3 volts. This means this battery is full of charge inside. In this case, this battery is good. Thank you for watching. Subscribe in our channel Sosanasa 1 in English here on YouTube. Share this video, give me a like, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Subscribe to our channel Sosanasa 1 in English and activate the notification bell to receive the notification every Saturday of new videos.